Hey there YouTube, France Hopper here. It's Sunday, the 8th of May. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Today we have an unboxing, and it's kind of large, so we're doing it on my kitchen table tonight, which, as you can probably see off to the side, is not exactly used as a kitchen table most of the time. Anyway, tonight we are unboxing the SodaStream Genesis. And the reason we're doing that is, well, I don't really know much about it. What I do know is that right now, for this week until Saturday, it's Founders Days at Fred Meyer. And for those of you that don't know, I do work for Fred Meyer out of the main office. So this is entirely my own opinion, not the company's. I'm not getting paid to do this, but really awesome deal on this to begin with. So for Founders Day, to start with, the SodaStream Genesis is $50. That's 50% off the normal price. So it is right now cheaper to buy one of these guys at Fred Meyer than it is Amazon. I also had an additional $15 off coupon that was a manufacturer's coupon because SodaStream came out to the main office and did kind of like a roadshow event the other week and kept that coupon handy. So that knocked $15 off in addition to the fact that this was already $50. And I completely forgot about my associate's discount also working in the home goods department, and I think, let's see, that knocked off an additional 15%. So bottom line, I just got one heck of a deal on this, so I'm kind of glad I went out on a limb and decided to get one of these. In addition, just for buying this, you get two half-liter carbonating bottles free. And that's with any SodaStream that you buy at Fred Meyer right now. So that is also pretty awesome. And then the flavor cartridge, guys, I got, let's see, this is green apple cucumber. And what else have we got here? Berry mix, 2 for $8. So that's not bad. And I think I even got a discount on those. I love my job, in case you can't tell. So, let's go ahead and unbox this. So here is what is in here. Let's see, we have the Genesis Sparkling Water Maker, a CO2 cylinder, and a reusable carbonating bottle. Let's go ahead and open it up. Hopefully I don't need scissors for this, because I don't have my scissors on me right now. So, looks like we should be able to just pull some cardboard there. Let's see, yep. Let's open that up. Pull that handle down. And let's see, at the top we have the user manual, which with this thing is probably kind of important. That was, oh, what is this? User license certificate. Keep in a safe place. Legally binding yada yada. If you want to read any of that, if it's even in focus, go ahead and pause to do that now. It looks really long and boring. Let's see, what else do we have? Welcome, you have now joined blah 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 blah. Visit SodaStream to check out full range of stuff. Register for a free gift with next online purchase. Okay, well there's that. The user manual is relatively thick because it's in a couple of different languages. Probably going to have to actually read this on how to install it, so that is how you set one of these up. At least I think I'm on the right page. Yes. Am I? This is really thick paper, so it feels like it's not the first page, but it is. Here are some more instructions and stuff. Pause if you want to read any of that. You can probably download this online, honestly. Then just goes to French. Cool. Alright, so I think it's going to be best to actually come off of the tripod here. So inside we have, I don't know, we have stuff. Important, press firmly and quickly release. Repeat until loud buzz. 3 buzzes for average fizz. Okay. Let's see, this is heavy. Holy crap, that's really heavy. Okay, bring empty carbonator to any participating retailer and take home a full one for a special exchange price. Cool. So that's the carbonating canister, and this thing is pretty heavy. It's like pretty solid aluminum cannon. It's got a nice thunk. What else is in here? Well, I guess let's probably take this out. No, okay, we can't take that out yet because there's something else in the way. Oh dear. Nope, that's just okay. Is that what's on the way? I don't know. Let's add that to my pile of crap on here. Okay, this entire thing is supposed to kind of lift out. So let's grab this guy. So there is the carbonating bottle thingy. We'll set that aside. So I think that's the big version of those guys. And let's go ahead and lift this out. Good enough. And there we have it. So let's get that kind of set there. And box is now empty, so we'll move that aside. And we'll go back on the tripod there. Cool beans. So let's get the plastic off of here. And there we go. Toss that aside. I'm gonna guess this guy should be flipped up. Oh, there's some tab thing here. What is this? I don't know. It's not in English. That doesn't help much. But I'm gonna guess I'm supposed to pull it. Remove tape before use. Okay, that was a good guess. So let's set that back down. Throw that tape off to the side, and I guess that actually goes in like so. Yeah, okay, that will just fall right out, apparently. Really? Oh. Duh. I'm an idiot. Helps to put it in the right side. So, alright. Let's get a better look at this thing now that it's out of the plastic. So here is what it looks like. This is the top thing that says push it firmly and quickly release. So 3-ish times or so. So warning, carbonate water only, add flavor after carbonation. Okie dokes. That looks like the little thingamadoodad where you pump the water in. Alrighty, so let's go back on the tripod here, which just wants to spin around everywhere, and let's just, you know what, throw more cardboard on the floor, why not? That's the easiest way to do this. So, getting started. There's just things labeled G100 in pure, which doesn't really help much. Okay, dokes. Right. So does this entire thing lift up? Let's see. There's this trigger back here. That's to, let's see. Now that's probably to release the canister. Okay, nope, that comes up. Okay. Let's see. Important. For your health and safety, use only original CO2 cylinders. Okay. Let's set that aside. And let's see, how do we open one of these? That's before 8, 12, 15. Well, I guess this has been sitting on the shelf for a while. Whoops. Alright, so looks like we simply pull down a green tab here. Yep, that'll work. Okay, let's throw that aside. I don't know if I twist this thing off. Yes, it looks like I twist that off. Okay, so with this end facing towards me, insert and turn. Nope. Okay, this is honestly slightly difficult. Let's see. Okay. What in the heck? Alright, let's flip the page over. Getting started. Okay, G100 here. What the heck is this? I do not know. It is a mystery cylinder. Awesome. Wait a minute, on the box. Include 60 liter CO2 cylinder. Nope. Yep, okay. That doesn't say what cylinder this is either. Oh, huh. Okay. So, remove valve seal and cap from cylinder valve. Screw cylinder into drink master head. A. Okay. Fill the carbonating bottle with water to the fill line and shell. Screw the bottle into the machine. Okay. I have no idea what kind of cartridge this is. That's kind of a problem, guys. Really? No. We're on here. Does it say what it is? Well, that is a problem. I really don't know. Oh, shoot. Place on drink master rotating here. Okay. So, I'm either going to rotate this thing or I'm going to press it. Right. That's promising. Alright, well, let's start with trying to just screw this thing in here. Nope. Okay. Wow. I know this is all off camera and stuff. It's that kind of difficult to try and get this thing installed. Oh, wait. Okay, I think I got it in. Yes? Am I supposed to keep screwing? I don't know. Move, okay. Screw into head. Yes. Have done that, I think. So, now either rotate until you hear a click, or press until you hear a click. Well, I still don't know, which is a pain in the butt. Just say what it is. I'm going to hope that the G100 means Genesis. Let's see. Because for the life of me, I cannot find what the G100 is and what the Pure is. That's kind of a design fail. Alright, well, I'm going to hope it's the G100. Because it's not clear at all. Okay. Would help to not flip to French. So... oh. There we go. There are... okay, this is the G100. So here's how you tell. Which is really a royal pain in the butt. If you look here, this icon guy has got like a little trigger thing, like the Genesis does. The other guy has a little pull tab. So, I did not hear a click, so that's really annoying. Yeah, there is no audible click. Okay, well, it's in there, I believe. Ta-da! There you go. That should do it, I hope. Now I gotta chill some water. So that's it for now.